Okay, it's a quick little video here. We're going to test, this is a Pi4, and we've also got this CM4. And you're going to see that the Pi4 is not going to boot. The CM4 will. So there is a difference between the two. Okay, so I've got the Pi4 plugged in here. The HDMI is running through to this monitor here. I'm just going to switch it on. We'll have a look at the light on the keyboard. On it goes. The drive light will stay on because there is no floppy or it's not powered up. You'll see that on the screen you get the Pistorm logo, but generally it's not going to budge from here. And I'm pretty certain the settings are all good. I might just give it another try with the other SD card, but you can see that nothing's happening. The screen is just staying still. And if I do reset the Amiga, like so, we're just going to end up with a flashing. See? Unhappy. So this is what we get with the Pi4. It's going to continue to cycle in this unhappy state. Again, flashing there. So I'll pause it right now. Now I'm going to take this SD card that we've been using in the CM4 board, just to make sure we use the exact same card. We're going to put it in this Pi4 and do one more test, and we're going to switch it on. Okay, what's happening now? Lights are on. There we go. But look, we've got flashing. So we can safely determine that this Pi4b is not working. Okay, so switch off, and we're going to switch out the board exactly as we have here. The exact same cable, and we're going to plug it into this Pistorm 32 adapter board and see what happens next. And this has got a CM4 on there. Now we're just throwing the adapter board back in here. We're going to put the SD card in there and see what happens. It's the SD card that we got out of the Pi4. If I can just line it up. It shouldn't be too hard. There we go. Now it's a matter of just putting this board somewhere here, getting this keyboard somewhere here, and powering it up. And look what happens now. Lights up. Monitor's up. So we're using the other monitor now because it was hooked up to the other one. So here we have it. But pretty soon, I think this is connecting to the network first. Pretty soon, without any kind of weird flashing, again the drive light's on because there's no power going to the floppy, but look, so there you have it. You have the exact same computer that was not working with the Pi4, but is now working with the CM4 and the exact same arrangement. So yeah, always it's worth to understand there is a difference. There's something different going on which allows one to work when the other will not.